Hi, I'm Madison Weaver from the class of 2019. My parents and I are here celebrating our last family weekend. Come check it out.
My favorite part of family weekend is getting to see all of my friends perform. But my parents love exploring campus, so this year we decided to meet some new families.
The last 4 years we've come to see this kid, and Bucknell Family Weekend is a highlight of our fall every year.
First Parents Weekend, and we're very excited to come down. We drove all the way down from Massachusetts.
And I'm just happy to see my daughter.
A dinner downtown and music under the tent is the perfect way to end our last family weekend. Thanks for joining us.